G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to Deltec Batteries in Bellville. Today is a very special occasion because today we are honoring a very important person in our lives, Mr. Deltec 1250 battery. This battery is being awarded a 12.5-year service award. As you can see, it's been giving 12.5 years of diligent service to Mr. Knudsen, its previous owner. And Mr. Knudsen has looked after this battery for 12.5 years. And the battery has also looked after Mr. Knudsen for 12.5 years. So today I'm very honored to present this certificate to this battery. And we are very, very proud of you, sir. And may you rest in peace and be an example to other batteries. Thank you very much.